What's that?
How are the windows coming along, Joe?
The windows are coming along fine. Hey, I got.
Look like you're taking a break.
No, actually, this is something I just thought of, and I'm telling you about it.
Tell me.
Okay, I want to do a little contest, and I want to help you get some YouTube subscribers.
Okay, what's the contest?
Okay, here's the contest. If somebody is a YouTube subscriber of yours, and if they send you a comment and say, hey, please include me in on the contest, this is what they're going to win, and I'm going to buy it for you.
What is it?
Okay?
I want to win. Can I enter?
No, you can't enter. This is a pair they can win. What can they win out of your shoe store? A pair of hot biscuits.
Oh, yeah, that's an excellent.
Okay?
But they have to come in for a fitting.
They have to come in, so they have to be somebody on Maui, and they have to be a subscriber of yours.
Okay.
Either a subscriber of YouTube or a friend on Facebook. Okay?
Yeah.
They have to send you.
I say subscriber, because that's the.
Okay,
yeah.
subscriber on YouTube, because,
Yes.
and you do have a YouTube account, right?
That's correct.
Okay, what's it called?
Terry Edmonds.
Just Terry Edmonds?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so anybody who subscribes to you and sends you a comment, please include me in on the hot biscuit contest. Then they will be included. And how long should we make it for?
When does it end?
How long? A week from now?
Let's
Here,
give them a month.
a whole month?
What do you think, Joe?
Well, it's up to you. It's up to you. It's your channel.
I say do a month.
Okay, in a month from now. So
gives people time, and I can remind them.
okay, so from the date that you put it on YouTube, it'll be a month from then.
That's right.
Okay, and then you're going to have to pick a winner.
That's right.
Okay, and
Let's do it together.
if I'm around, I'd like to help you pick it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that somebody doesn't think you're cherry picking the winner.
That's right.
Okay.
Fair and square.
All right, and then you're going to pick out one of your nice hot biscuits, and then
that's a great idea.
they can pick it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Deal.
All right, deal. You thought I was joking. That's right. If you're a subscriber of Terry's and you want to be in on this contest, just subscribe to her channel and let her know, and we'll get you a pair of shoes if you're the winner for the hot biscuits. Hey, we've already got somebody asking about this hot biscuit contest, and what is your question, sir?
I want to know what happens if a guy wins. Do I get a hot buzz cut instead of a hot biscuit?
I don't know.
I know, now I gotta be creative and think of something.
How would I look with a buzz cut?
I would say I would do a custom man sandal.
A custom man sandal?
Ooh.
Ooh, how about that?
Man sandal. I am down with that.
Yeah, baby. Are you gonna be part of this contest?
I'm getting the hot biscuits.
You know, you got to be a YouTube subscriber of ours, and you have to send in a comment.
All right.
You know, please let me be included in your contest, pretty please.
Yes.
I will be doing the same and questioning what my prize will be.
Okay, well.
You would, and you'll do it in a poem too, I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Okay, so you've got your
So
work
we
cut out
have
for you.
it.
Hey,
Okay.
you know what? I know what you're going to say, but other viewers might have this question. How come it's only for people in Maui?
Well, because they have to be custom fit.
They have to be custom
Yeah.
fit, and you don't ever want to send shoes out and sell them online or anything like that, because you don't feel
Yeah.
comfortable with that, right?
Yeah, it's all specialty custom.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the thing.
What if somebody were to cut off their foot and send it to you and then sew it back on and send it home?
You can't be a guest on our show anymore.
Hey, but here's a thought. For anybody who's a YouTube subscriber of yours, if they're coming to Maui and if they win,
Absolutely.
then you'll do it, right?
Make an appointment.
Right?
Absolutely.
So anybody out there, you still can subscribe to her channel, and you're still in the running for the hot biscuit
Absolutely.
sandal or the modified men's
Buzz cut.
Custom
yeah
sandal.
custom sandal. What sort of name do you have for those custom sandals for men?
It's usually the Just For You shoe. That's what I call it.
Just for you?
Just For You shoe.
Gesundheit. Just for you shoe? I saw it on the Chinese menu the other day. Only it was just for Mushu.
You
Okay.
guys, I have to get back
Hey,
to work.
yeah, I'd love to keep chatting, but I got windows to wash. Okay?
We're Good luck. Go have fun.
Good luck. All right, we'll be in touch. Hey, Joe.
Hey, we are ready to name a winner for your contest.
Yes.
You know what it's for? It's for the hot biscuits.
You know it.
So, hey, by the way, do you have a hot biscuit, a pair of hot
Hello,
biscuits?
Let me go get one. What was I thinking? I was so busy with the drill and the saw.
That's right. We just gave away these on her channel. She had a contest for a battery-operated drill and a battery-operated saw.
All right, here we
Okay.
go, Video Joe.
This is the hot biscuit. Oh, yeah.
It's my best seller,
Uh-huh.
right? Ladies that are now buying them, now that they bought them a year and a half ago, they're coming in and buying a second pair because they like them so much.
Uh-huh.
Wear them in the sand, the rain, hose them, scrub them. They're your everyday go-to shoe. And so we have a winner.
Yes.
I think you should name them.
We have a winner, and I don't even have to pick the name out of your shoe
A
right
clean
here.
shoe, that might
You know
be.
why? I'm sorry to say this, but you only had one person be part of this contest. I don't know why that is, but
Just
you know
a little
what?
bit of effort.
You had the one, she wins!
Woo!
And-
Kanashiro?
And her name. Can you help me with this name?
Kanashiro.
Kanashiro.
Woo!
You won the hot biscuits. You've got to come down here for your special fitting.
$150 value.
Yes, $150 value. And by the way, I did tell you I would buy those shoes for you to give away, right?
What are you?
I did.
Stop it.
Watch the video. I told you I would
Joe.
buy them.
I thought
So,
you said 5 pairs. What's up with the
oh,
one pair?
man.
I'm just kidding.
So here's $160. I'm going to need some change. I think.
Okay.
Okay? Because I didn't want this coming out of your pocket.
What?
Okay? I wanted you
Joe,
to
you're
gain
so
some
good.
subscribers, some fun stuff going on your brand new YouTube channel.
I love it.
I love that. Okay? So, she had to live here on Maui. So
That's
maybe
right.
that's why you didn't really get too many people interested in wanting
It's
to be
a
part of
custom
this
fit,
costume.
and we had talked about that too, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
She wins it,
That's right.
and I hope she'll like them. But you know what? I know she's gonna like
Oh
them.
my gosh, you're gonna love them. Bring it home, Joe.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's super exciting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. Okay.
Okay, contest done.
The contests are over. You had 3 contests,
That's right.
and I think they were a success.
I do too as well.
You know?
There were a lot of them, a lot of entries, good things. Those are fun, and I'd recommend that contest to anybody else trying to develop a YouTube channel, right?
That's right. That's right. Contests are the way to go,
Mhm.
and
Yeah.
they're fun.
Yeah.
You know what? Okay.
Yay.
Until next time,
Until next time.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Wait. What did you say?
Hey, Video Joe, let's go get some dinner.
Okay, but I want my change from the hot biscuits that I paid
I'm buying
you for.
from that money that you.
Oh, okay. I got you.
I'm buying dinner tonight.
Okay, all right. You're on.
Thanks, Video Joe.
Okay.
You're the best.
Hey, it's been fun.
It's